This is my Android head unit. I'm looking at this Autozen car dashboard launcher. Let's click on install. While installing, let's check out the screenshots they have here, and it looks pretty cool. Yeah, it really looks this way on my dashboard. And that's the map. Or you can use it using a phone. Not bad. Okay, that's about it. So let's check out whether it's installed yet. Installing. So alright, it's done. Let's click on open. And welcome to Autozen. And granted. Get the notification for access. Open for Autozen. Then next, get premium. Nope, continue without premium. And it starts this way. It shows you the map, and let's see what else I can do. Say I want to move to another screen. How do I do that? Do I swipe? Nope. But this is pretty good. Yeah, it shows you a very precise map, and performance is pretty good as well. So here is to show you all the apps that you have. Nice. And click back here. This is with the map. Click here again. Oh, okay. Shows you the music information. Click again. Map again. Alright. So let's see what else I can do here. This is the music buttons, forward, backward, play. This is a Google Assistant button. This I'm not sure. Notifications. This is the call. Click here, click on settings. Then you get to see the map and navigations, general, what you can actually do with it. Yeah, change the metric system, temperature, and whatnot. So some of those will be disabled. That's because it's locked for premium. And yeah, you can have a startup as well. You know, what to start, set media volume, good. A lot of things have been locked, yeah, for premium. So themes and appearance, you can have different themes as well. I like dark. Yep, that's good. And launcher, you can have a home screen type, or you can have it in navigation map or launcher. I prefer a launcher. I need to restart that, so fine, I can. So let's open it again, and I think it should be the launcher type. Yeah, this is much better. I do prefer this way, not the map. So this is showing you how fast you're moving. This is more like the speedometer, and there's a car here, but nothing happens when you click on that. Click on that. That's an edit button, I think. You can actually change some of the widgets here, I presume. So I'm not doing anything on that. This is showing you the temperature. Yeah, the weather right now, 29 Celsius. And this is the launch, the AutoKit app, as well as this is the music, yeah, playing at this AutoKit app. Okay, this is cool. What else I can do? Let's see. Settings again, and over here, this is showing you premium. You can actually buy and subscribe it for 30 ringgit every year. So that's about, you know, $8 a year. That's okay. If you want to have this, just buy. You can rate it. Yeah, and there's some legal informations. So this is Autozen button. Oh, it goes back here. All right. So what else? You can exit. That's about it. Yeah, this is Autozen for you. So if you like this, help me click on the like button, and also subscribe if you have not yet. Thanks a lot. Bye.